guys, here today I'm gonna be showing you this, or I'm gonna be doing this tutorial with clear slime, but we're just gonna use white glue. So before we start this video, give this video a thumbs up if you haven't, and subscribe if you haven't, and please click the bell notification and so you get notified every time that I post a video, and comment your suggestions. Yeah. Let's get started. So here's the things that you're gonna need and ingredients too. Let's go. You're gonna need a bowl to store your slime, a mixing utensil, this kind of glue, it is white all-purpose glue, some bubbles, I just used this blue cute bubbles, I use this water, it's a water that I put on an empty cologne bottle, it's a water. Of course, you're gonna need this, it's like a teaspoon and a tablespoon, or a measuring cup, or a measuring spoon. And of course, your bowl. So let's get started. By the way, you're gonna need your color. I just used acrylic paint, and your activator. I just used this kind of activator. Yeah. First, you're gonna need your glue. After pouring up the glue, let's pour our bubbles. So I'm just gonna pour back the camera. Pour some bubbles. Just pour like 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon is like this much, so pour it there. And of course, you have to mix it. I totally recommend silicone spatula by mixing slime. I totally recommend that, but I just don't have any silicone spatula, but I totally recommend that because you can squirt it out. But I use this mixing utensil. After that, you're gonna pour your color. I want mine to be cheesy, so let's pour some cheese. Oh! Let's make like a cheesy slime. Cheesy clear slime.
Kasi hindi mo nakita, ang laki. Ganda ka na kayo.
It depends on you. How much cheese you wanted. So, yeah. I'll be right back when I just mix it up. So, here is the color that I want. And, yeah. Now, what you're gonna do is pour some water. I'm just gonna pour a half teaspoon. Half teaspoon is like a little bit, so it's like only this much. Or like I put it like 5 drops. Yeah. Now let's pour it and mix it.
Ako din gagawa.
Mamaya ka na.
Okay. Ako din sa maliit.
Mamaya ka na nga sabi. Or, wait lang guys ha. Alright guys. Now I got all of my stuffs. Next, we're gonna need our activator. So, let's just pour like 1 teaspoon at a time. So, I'll be right back. And I got this. So just pour it in. That's 1 teaspoon and mix. Look at how forming is that. It's forming into slime. And just keep mixing. Oh, and now you're back. Wait, sit back and mix it. Oh my god. I forget what that girl name was, but he is requesting, or she is requesting to me to do a clear slime tutorial. So I promise to be doing that, but not today, not tomorrow, but maybe next time, because I don't have any budget for now. So I don't know where, I don't know when, but I promise I will do that next time. I just gonna surprise to you all, guys. And thank you for commenting or suggesting that video, but I promise I will do my best to make that video. I promise. Now it's forming into slime, right? And I'll be right back when I just do it. No, I'll be right back. Yeah, just put a little bit more of activator when your slime is so sticky, and yeah, let's go. When your slime is looking like this, it's time to knead. So yeah, gonna put you back, and let's go knead. With our hands. Look how it's clear, right? And I just made, before I filmed this video, I made this turquoise kind of thing, and it's clear too. I promise I didn't use clear glue with this, but look how clear is that. It's not that clear, but it's clear. Look how good is that. So I think that's it for our video. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for suggesting. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.